welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. We have mainly had wind, snow and ice this week, so yeah, just look at us trying to deal with the animals and the weather. It's it's just been batten down the hatches, hide indoors, light the fire, and obviously try and manage the animals and their bedding and everything else like that. But there was a glimmer of spring on the way. The polytunnel did actually get up really warm. I think it was up to 22 degrees in there. So I think I'm going to put my chair down there and sit down there and have my morning coffee when the sun's out. Anyway, I'm going to roll the footage and you can see exactly what we've been up to.
My pigs for a walk in the snow. Come on, piggies! Come on, piggies! But the other one's good. Yeah. Hello! You having fun? What are you doing? Having fun? Having fun? Come on, let's go this way. She's peeing. I don't have a bucket. Oh, now you pee. Hey, no charging. Kind of scary. You pee now, huh? I'm supposed to catch that and pregnancy test it. Come piggy. Yay! Come on, piggies, let's exercise. Come piggies. What are you doing? Having fun? Come on. Let's go, piggy. Come, piggy. Yeah! You big girl. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Come in. Dina. Watch where you're going. Hello. Come on, let's go back now. Oh, now you're gonna pee. Great. Up. Come on, piggies. Come. Can we go then? Gonna go home now? No. You're busy. Excited now. Bye-bye. Have fun playtime. Hi, bees. Anyone in there? Hello. See a couple on the floorboard. Hi, piggies! Enjoying the snow! Hiya, ladies. Hiya, ladies.
-9 out here, but obviously with the sunset on the roof, it is melting.
So I'm trying to give the piggies some straw. I've got it all on a tarp to pull it through, but there's a little bit of hindrance going on here. Maggie, you're not supposed to be in the straw with the pigs. Come on, Chrissy, the chickens are in the way.
They're never in the way.
Can you get the chickens out of the way?
Tuffy, what are you doing? Come on, come on.
Maggie, out! There you go. Make me some compost. My little piggerators. Can I have a cuddle? Can I have a cuddle? Are you going to give me cuddles? Who's going to give me cuddles? Who's going to give me... I'm going to fight. Oh, they're such good fun.
George came out for a cuddle and then freaked out. Hi. Hi.
You need kisses? You going to give me kisses?
What are you doing, Toffee? What are you doing?
Well, just done a clear up in the shed. We've got some pallets broken up. Just some 3 boxes of kindling for you, darling. And keep you all you nurse ladies warm. I've got some bits of pallet wood that we're going to be making beehive boxes and stuff like that out of. That all needs denailing. And we've got some salt ready to go down. But I can hear it snowing again. Oh wow. Yeah, we're going to get some snow. So it's already like 2 centimetres.
You will notice in this next clip that Moon isn't with the other turkeys. Don't be alarmed. Moon is fine, but we've actually just transferred her back up to where the chickens and the ducks are because she prefers it up there. She actually stopped laying down with the others. She just thinks she's a chicken or a duck, I think. So she's just going to be a pet and the other turkeys will go back. I think we've decided we're going to raise ducks. Ducks are way easier. And when it rains, they like it. So, yeah. Moon is fine. We haven't got her with the duck, obviously, because we have certain issues there as well. So she's in the brooder and she's let out to roam, and we'll just figure out what we're going to do with the pet turkey long term. And, yeah. never a dull moment.
So Bridget and I are out in a snowstorm, just doing the animals. There's a good 4 inches, 6 inches of snow. She's just checking on the turkeys. How you doing, sweetheart? Oh look. Hello turkeys. How you doing up there? They're even frozen in here. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's good. What's the temperature in the ponytail? Only minus 10. Did I just say that? I just said only minus 10, didn't I?
Good night, big guy.
Right. The girl checking her bees in a snowstorm. How they doing?
Alright. Last week we saw them poop, and a few days ago they were clearing out some of the dead bees. So I think they're okay in there, but we'll see in the spring.
It's still pretty breezy. Very drifty. It's pretty drifty here. Can't really tell by the camera. It's dancing. So we got on with the animal chores and clearing the snow, and then we snuggled back up inside.
I follow you in every step that you take. I will give you everything, my all. But for you, I'm a ghost, a shadow at most.
I know you mean business, you're putting your gloves on. Is that for your gin and tonic?
Yeah. Gin and tonic, 1 lump or 2?
This old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me.
Wow, that's warm in here.
This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. You're sweet, Lord, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk